What I'm about to show you completely discredits the globe. However, not all of you will understand this. I've tried a few times to explain this, but I'm going to try again. As easy as this is to understand, many of you will still not get it. A lot of that has to do with the desire to fit in, and this simple observation will destroy the globe narrative. Let's dig in. What you see here is a demonstration on how Polaris could be viewed from the equator. Even though this is an extreme angle against the horizon, an observer on the equator can look up and see Polaris. It doesn't matter where on this line you are at, you could see Polaris. An observer right here and an observer right here can both look up and see Polaris. This is something we could all agree on, but this absolutely destroys your globe model. Dead in the water. As obvious as it is, I'm still going to have to point it out to you. Try to follow. This is where I normally lose you. If Polaris could be seen from anywhere on this line, and you believe that Sigma could be seen from anywhere south of this line, how is it that you do not understand that an observer on the South Pole and the North Pole would be able to look out and see the same star? Our ball has 4 directions. North, you can see Polaris. Anybody on this half of the Earth gets the same sun. Anybody south of the equator can see Sigma. There absolutely would be a star that could be seen from the North Pole and the South Pole. There would have to be an observer standing on the North Pole would be able to look towards the horizon and see a star. That same exact star would be able to be seen from the other pole. This is extremely simple, and yet somehow it's like I'm speaking gibberish. Going to go through it one more time for you. Anywhere on this line north, you see Polaris. Anywhere from south of this line, you see Sigma. Anybody west of this line sees the sun. So why is there not a star that could be seen from the North Pole and the South Pole? Globe people somehow believe that not being able to see Polaris south of the equator proves your Earth is a globe. Pretty convenient of you to only think about Polaris, Sigma, and the sun, while you completely ignore the fact that there would be a star that's visible from the North Pole and the South Pole at the same time. I'm sure that many of you will find a way to not understand this. But for those of you who are capable of critical thinking, ask yourself, why is there not a star that could be seen from the South and the North Pole? This is for the meek-minded. You'd have to be completely incapable of critically thinking to believe in the globe model. It is pseudoscientific trash. Wakey wakey.